So we're in the lobby of the Moxy Hotel. Reception is quaint, but they are very efficient. I wanted to throw in this quick video of the lobby at night. They sit out snacks, M&Ms, chips, candy, soda, water for the guests to have in the evening from about early evening till 6:30, 7 o'clock. They are very efficient. Everybody's nice for the most part. Music playing, it's around 6 in the morning, but they do have music on because that's the type of hotel it is. So this is the happenings board. Shows you what's going on in the hotel daily. You gotta get that. You can see. And then I'll show you this part. It's because we won't be back this way. They do have this area. So if you want to go to the second floor bar, if you want to go to the restaurant, exit to 7th, or go upstairs to the magic hour, then you can go this way. So one thing that is very different about this hotel, when you want to go upstairs, you have to press. So they make sure that you can't get to certain floors if you don't have a key. So say if we're going down to the fitness center, it tells you which elevator. There are 4 elevators. It tells you which elevator to go to. So it says P2. You get on, and there is no, it just tells you where it's going. You can't press anything once you're in here. It is what it is. So that is the elevator. No mirrors. It's pretty quick. So now we're considered to be in the basement. They do have a vending machine. And this is the fitness center. They have a luggage storage area that they'll give you a key to or let you in if you happen to get here early and you want to store your luggage before your room is ready. This is the fitness center. We'll go in quick. Somebody is in here though, so we won't say much. We'll work it out. It's pretty small though. But they do have a few. They have about 7 treadmills, punching bag, some weights. So you do have some options. I don't like to film if people are in the gym working out. Luggage storage window, you come down, they'll let you in and go from there. Okay, so to get back up, it's different from the basement, but I'll show you once we get on the second floor. So we'll go second floor. It's only 1 elevator. And then I'll show you once we get to second floor. Okay, so now we're on the second floor. And I was saying it's different as in the fact that you do not need your key when you're coming up from the basement. Or coming up from the lower floor from the fitness area. But I'll show you how to use what happens when you use your key to go up to the bedroom level. So this is the second floor. It's like a lounge area. The receptionist area does not have seating or lounging. So you come up to the second floor, and that's where you sit. So they have seats, and then that's the reception down there. That's where we were initially. Seating. Another way for you to come this way. Plenty of seating. Go around. Let's check in. They have ping pong. I don't know if this is paddle ball. I don't even know what that is. Pickleball. Ping pong. That's what I call it. I think that's what that is. She's telling you that the Magic Hour Club is upstairs. And then this is the restaurant. La Garcia. I haven't been to it. I didn't get a chance to go to it, but I did get food from it. The truffle fries and the Korean chicken wings are really good. I do have a 49. I think it's 49 for all you can eat ribeye. But this is it. And then this is just when I showed you those gold signs on the wall saying you can go this way to go up to the restaurant or go up to the club. This is just that entrance there. I don't know what's this way, and I don't want to find out. Freight elevator. Okay. So, again, second floor, lounge, sitting area. You see a lot of people up here with their luggage waiting to check in. I was fortunate enough to, they have air hockey. I was fortunate enough to be able to check right in. Again, more seating. Music is on. It's 6 in the morning, but they have the music on, so hopefully you can hear me. I won't be on the side long, so I'll just show you and talk about it once we leave. These are like meeting areas over here. I think you have to reserve them. But after 3, you can sit. So Moxy does offer food at the bar, but I think they get it from La Garcia, so I think that's where my eyes came from. This is another meeting area. This one is closed off. Somebody's in here. And this is 7 to 10. So if you're in town and you have a meeting and you need, you have your staff with you or whatever the case may be, maybe you need a private room, you can do that. So they do offer complimentary coffee to guests. Small coffee cups. They usually have it set up and it's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and it's just coffee. Not tea, just coffee. But they do also have microwaves if you need to use those to warm up something that you bought from the outside or that you bought from here and had leftovers. And then they have bathrooms. Anybody's gender neutral bathrooms. Something to keep in mind. Seeing quite a few of those in the city, so they do have gender neutral bathrooms. Complimentary pastries as well. And they're setting it up now. And again, that's from 7 to 10. So other than that, that's the hotel. We went to the fitness We went to the ground floor. We're on a second. Let me show you about the bedroom. So if you push it, say you're going to 11, you got to put your key and it tells you where to go. So you can't get to your floor without scanning your key. And then it tells you which elevator to get on. Are you going to 4? I'm going down. Oh. And then you get on. And then that's it. And that is Moxy. In a nutshell, small, quaint. Small and quaint. Now we're going to get some coffee and then I'll talk to you more about that, about the hotel and what you should know when I return. So it's 5 o'clock and they do have a rooftop bar, but I'm on the second floor in the restaurant bar area and they have cranked the music all the way up. So something to consider if you're ever staying at this hotel. So another good thing to note, say I want to go to the bar. Because the bar's closed, so it won't let you on the floor. I like that. Let's see, just to make sure. Let's try the other elevators. Yep, access denied. So that's good. So you can't go to the floor where the bar, the restaurant, the bar or the restaurant is, because they are closed. It's after 12 o'clock. I just wanted to show that. Moxy. So a very dope part of Moxy NYC Times Square that I did not get to experience is the rooftop lounge and bar called Magic Hour. I didn't get a chance to go up there because I was out in the NYC streets for most of the time, and by the time I came in, it was late and I was tired. But they do have a very phenomenal rooftop bar and lounge. They have brunch on Sundays to 2 p.m. Every night, there will be loud music coming from the rooftop bar, so that is something to keep in mind. The rooftop area is also open to the public. It kind of turns into a mini nightclub, more like a very eclectic lounge. Also, you can keep in mind that on Sundays, they cut the music around 12 a.m. So that is the only day on the weekend that it's quiet up there. But Friday and Saturday, it's very loud. If you don't mind that, this is a perfect hotel for you. Also, they have a barber shop inside of Moxy due to a partnership. So check it out and see if you need any grooming. You can go right on site and get that taken care of. You hear this? This is the hotel at night. This is how loud it is after 12 o'clock.